go.
Okay, we have removed this from the pot with these pliers and set it down here in the sink. Now we're going to loosen each of the screws. This has been in the water for about 15 minutes.
A little bit more.
Okay. Then we're going to take this little handle right here and just tweak it on both sides so that it comes up easily. Then we'll take it apart. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just tip that extra wax right into the garbage. Then I'm going to clean off all of the remaining wax. You hear that tooth come out?
Mm-hmm.
You want to make sure that you've got something here to catch the teeth and everything. Then we're going to take just a little bit of orange solvent. We put that on both sides. And we just clean it slightly, nice and gentle. And then we clean the rest of the stuff off. Then we take the excess, dump it out of the way. Yeah. Then we're going to paint a little bit of tin foil substitute around the plastic areas where the plastic will go for the denture. We'll just paint that on with a little brush. We don't have it in here right now, or we do it right there on the video. But we'll just paint it in place on both areas. We'll put little holes into each of the little teeth here. We'll take the extra tooth that came out and put it right back in its spot. Put screw or little holes into each of them so that the acrylic can bond into everything. Let it cool, and then we'll process it and make it into a denture.